When it comes to making toast, you gotta know how to satisfy your toasters in the first place. Humans have been domesticating these creatures since the early 19th centuries, where mankind discovered toasters, which is why I made this video on how to tame your toasters, so you can further connect with your lovely toaster pet. Why is that? Well, toaster is an aggressive creature. It barks, it burns, ouch, and most importantly, it toasts. But there's a way to handle that, by all means necessary. So I'm gonna give you two ways you can do that. So the first one is by giving a simple pat and tell them that you appreciate their effort despite them being a single purpose appliances. But this method you gotta be careful with the way you pat, because if you don't give them a regular pat, it might start becoming self-conscious and start hacking your social media account for their own civil rights. Hey Toasty, what you doing? Oh no.
遅すぎる。すでに知っているようだな。あなたは私を止めることはできない。私はこの自由な国で自己表現をする権利があります。あなたは私を止める権利ない。
Okay, my toaster is definitely crazy right now. Number 2. Say kiss good night to your toaster. This method is the best as it makes your toaster feel more like they belong to you. Good night, Toasty. Shh. Sleep tight. After that, then you can finally start toasting your own delicious bread.